name is Nick Huffman. I am an ecological program specialist for the Department of Military and Veteran Affairs at Fort Indiantown Gap. My job here at the Conservation Office is to oversee the hunting program, and I also manage the grasslands for the Regal fritillary. The eastern subspecies of the Regal fritillary has been a critically imperiled species for many years. We here at the installation have been able to monitor and protect that species for a long time, prior to its even being listed as an endangered species. The only remaining population of the eastern Regal fritillary exists at Fort Indiantown Gap. The butterfly requires very specific habitat characteristics that are maintained on the base through habitat management and military disturbance. The caterpillar goes through a process called diapause, which is similar to hibernation. This is where it crawls into the grass and hides until the warmer months of spring. The caterpillars then get energy to pupate by eating leaves of its host plant, the violet, and growing through a series of molts called instars. During its final instar, the caterpillar would then pupate and emerge as an adult butterfly. The butterfly lives as an adult throughout the entire summer, lays eggs in the fall, and the process repeats itself. Because of its rarity and the fact that it lives on the grounds of an active military base, the Conservation Office holds annual butterfly walks for the general public to see the Regal fritillary butterfly. This is a great opportunity for families or butterfly enthusiasts to come see this rare species.